So yung weights natin, electromagnetism. So wala tayong makikitang weight dyan. Magnet po yung gamit namin.
Okay, so an hour, 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Press.
Carlo Mendoza.
Nag-ano ka na? Ayun, yun yung kakausapin mo, sir. Ito, si Ma'am Jeannie. Ma'am Jeannie! Ay, si Renzo.
Bakit po?
Carlo.
Kukuha na daw pa siya ng cup.
Kahit ba hindi full repetition, mag-count.
Ha?
Kahit hindi full repetition.
Magka-count.
So, we have Junior Carlo.
Kailangan full.
Our
Kasi yung iba hindi niya bibilangin. Oo.
Our first placer will be home.
Ha?
20,000
Pag tumunog.
of bread. 20,000
Yan.
worth of bread. 50,000 worth of CDS. 50,000
Wow.
worth of CDS.
50,000 worth.
Of course, he will also
So ano na lang, 150 na lang.
and that is because he ran 16 kilometers in 1 hour and 3 minutes.
Let's go, boss!
Ladies and gentlemen, our winner is Carlo Mendoza.
Ayaw na? Okay. Sige.
Hey, Carlo.